Picadero by Gabriel Rivera Arquitectos in Ecuador. El Picadero is located in the Andes Mountains, in the province of Cotopaxi, Ecuador, in the Tanicuchí Parish. Located in Lasso, the project sits in a rural area dedicated to agriculture and cattle raising. Due to its proximity to the Cotopaxi volcano and Los Ilinizas, it is characterized by a cold climate, sandy soil and Andean vegetation, where eucalyptus trees, which are not native, have spread throughout the area. The 5,000 square meters rectangular lot is full of eucalyptus trees that paint the ground in reddish, brown and mustard colors when leaves fall. The main house is located on the east side of the lot, while the stables are located on the west side. The purpose of the commission was to develop an in-between space, considering the main house and the stables around it. A space composed of a jumping arena for horses, a service area, and a versatile space designed to change over time, initially a play area that is meant to evolve into suites and a common area. To respond to the client's needs and the context where the project is situated, we analyzed the site, where we studied some elements such as orientation, important views considering the Cotopaxi volcano and Los Ilinizas, natural surroundings, access roads, existing constructions, topography, soil study, rainfall, and some other complementary studies. The results of this analysis allowed us to make important decisions for the development of the project. This is how we located the jumping arena in a place with less vegetation and gave it a north-south orientation, to make training efficient. We also decided to combine the services and the versatile space in a single body and place it next to the riding arena, to take advantage of the view and preserve as many trees as possible. The construction directs its longitudinal facades to the sunlight. The construction is elevated to avoid water filtrations and humidity, due to heavy rains. The construction of the project began in October 2022 and was completed 1 year later. Its main structure, made of modulated steel, rests on reinforced concrete plinths. The floor slab, with an integrated heating system inside, allows the space to be heated and converted into a shelter. The eucalyptus wood ceiling facing the interior, installed over a steel substructure, is waterproof and uses clay tile as a covering towards the exterior. The facade on the east side uses local brick surfaces and laminated glass to relate the user to the jumping ring and face of the Cotopaxi volcano. The west facade uses laminated glass and a wooden brise-soleil, helping both resources used to maintain the heat in the interior areas. This facade also allows for the afternoon light to enter, and takes the Ilinizas Mountains as their main view. El Picadero becomes the place of connection between the house and the stables. It is through its circulations that this project achieves a relationship between the two existing constructions, and transforms an empty lot into a meeting place.